Hi, DE Psych. So, we're going to do a little experiment, a memory experiment. So, you're going to need a piece of paper. If you do not have a piece of paper right now, go grab one. All you need is a piece of notepaper to do this memory experience. If you don't have one, guys, I'd highly suggest you do it and not just be like, oh, Miss Rivera, I'll just watch the video and not do the experiment and then I'll pretend. Okay? Don't do that. Try this out. Let's see where we are so we can conduct a real study and get true data. All right, here we go. So I'm going to read from a script, so this is all standardized. We're going to estimate your personal immediate memory spans. I will read several series of numbers to which you should listen carefully without writing anything. After each series, I will ask you to use your memory to write down the numbers in the order that I read them. Remember, don't write anything until I tell you to do so. I will say the word write when you are allowed to write. We're testing your memory, all right? So don't write it down as I say these numbers, okay? When I say write, then you are allowed to write. Okay, here we go. And yes, you are writing them in order that I say them, all right? The first line, 9, 2, 5, right. Okay, now we're going to move to the second line. Remember, you're not writing anything until I say the word right. The second line, 8, 6, 4, 2, right. The third line, 3, 7, 6, 5, 4, right. The fourth line. So now by this time, some of you may be like, oh, I think I already messed up. Keep going. Keep trying, okay? I'll tell you what you're going to do with these results here in a few minutes. So the fourth line, 6, 2, 7, 4, 1, 8, right. Remember, don't write until I say right. Let's go to the fifth line. 0, 4, 0, 1, 4, 7, 3, right. Some of you likely are like, dude, I give up. Keep trying, keep trying. All right, here we go. The next line, 1, 9, 2, 2, 3, 5, 3, 0. Right. We're likely getting at the point of many of yours capacities of your memory, but I'll keep reading. Here we go. The seventh line. 4, 8, 6, 8, 5, 4, 3, 3, 2. Right. And just for good measure, we'll give it a try on this eighth line. 2, 5, 3, 1, 9, 7, 1, 7, 6, 8. Right. Okay, so now what I need you to do is I need you to look at the answer key that I'll have placed into Schoology, where you've made the first mistake. So, for instance, let's say that the third line I got correct, 37654. But then the fourth line, I wrote 627417 instead of 8. I now know that the highest I went on this experiment was the third line, which was a total of 5 digits. That is what I'm going to record as the highest line. The first mistake that I made is what I'm going to record in the STM data. So it says, please record the maximum number of digits that you correctly recorded prior to making your first mistake. So if line 3 was the correct line, but line 4 was my first mistake line, I am at line 3, which was a maximum of 5 digits, and I'll write that in my discussion. I'll type in 5 and I post, okay? That's all you need to do. All right, guys, hopefully that's clear. Check out the answer sheet, see where you made your first mistake. The line before is the number of digits that you record as to what you got correct. Thanks, guys. Bye.